Step into the future of electric SUVs with the brand new Tesla Model YL, an extended wheelbase, 6-seat variant of the all-electric Model Y, exclusively developed for the Chinese market. The Model YL stretches nearly 200 millimeters longer than the standard Model Y, thanks to a 150 millimeter longer wheelbase, extending overall length to 4,976 millimeters. This extra space isn't just for show. It transforms a vehicle into a mini MPV that's tailor-made for families. Tesla China showcases the Model YL with a refined rear spoiler that wraps around the tail, enhancing both aerodynamics and presence, in understated detail with real visual impact. From the front, the car retains the updated Juniper styling, including slim LED headlights and a full-width light bar at the rear, features carried over from the latest refreshed Model Y. Step inside and the Model YL reveals its most striking feature: a 6-seat layout with captain's chairs in the second row and a third row of forward-facing seats. Each seat is thoughtfully crafted with ample legroom, electrically adjustable, heated functions, and in the second row, powered armrest for enhanced comfort. Comfort isn't sacrificed for seating density. Every row benefits from optimized sound insulation and dedicated air vents, ensuring even the third row sits in relative tranquility. When the need arises, both the second row captain chairs and third row seats can fold flat, dramatically increasing the cargo capacity, making the Model YL equally suited for weekend getaways as it is for family runs. The interior comes in a dark premium finish, with high-quality materials and a headliner to match. Tesla has confirmed a light gray premium option will be available down the line. While Tesla hasn't publicly disclosed exact battery metrics, the Model YL is powered by dual-motor all-wheel drive and is rated for a remarkable 751 kilometers of range, the highest among Model Y variants in China. All-wheel footprint and extra mass comes with extra power. The YL carries a combined 340 kilowatts, 456 horsepower from its twin motors, giving robust performance to match its extended proportions.
Built at Tesla's Gigafactory Shanghai, the Model Y debuted in July 2025 and began official orders in August. It carries a starting price of 339,000 Chinese yuan, about $47,000, placing it at roughly $3,500 above the standard AWD Model Y in China. Europe and the US may still await the Model YL, but Tesla's move in China signals that it's willing to innovate fast when the market calls for it. For now, the YL stands as the most generous passenger-first Model Y yet. The 2025 Tesla Model YL isn't just an extended Model Y, it's a calculated evolution for family mobility in China, combining powerful performance, luxurious seating, and practical innovation. It opens wide with 6 seats, tech-forward comfort, and a profile built for modern electric families.